Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's a really exciting day, or at least I think it is, because I am partnered with FabFitFun. I know, right? So today I'm going to be showing you what's inside the box that I got, which is the summer 2018 box. FabFitFun, in case you don't already know it, is a full-size quarterly subscription box, and it only costs $49.99. I have a funny story, but I want to make sure that I let you know that I have not been paid to do this video. I am receiving these products to open and show you, and I'm going to give you my opinions on them because I have actually used everything in the box now, and well, I think you knew I would do that, right? Funny story about this. Do you guys remember when I did the vlog about going to the tea room with my mom, my aunt, and my sister? Okay, so my sister's sitting across from me at the table, and she has on a piece of jewelry that I really liked. And, you know, part of me's like, where'd you get that jewelry? You didn't get that from me. So I asked her about it, and she said, well, she got it in her FabFitFun box. And I'm like, because she's speaking my language now. She has tiptoed into my world. And I said, really? You get that box? She said, you know what it is? I said, well, yeah, a couple of my friends on YouTube, they get that box, and I'm so envious of it. Now, I normally don't watch subscription boxes, but I do watch this one, okay? And the reason that I like it so much is because it's not just makeup. It's, you know, a little bit of everything. It's lifestyle stuff. So I was super stoked and excited when just a week after we had this conversation, and I was thinking, I'm going to sign up for that. Dang it, I'm just gonna finally do it because I get jealous when I watch my friends open this box. So I'm gonna pony up and do it. And then a week later, they contacted me and they said, would you like to be a partner? I said, you bet. I sure would. Now, before I forget, I want to tell you that down in the description box, there is a code. It's Glitzy. Really hard to remember, right? You get $10 off your first box if you don't already get this. But if you do get this, I want you to sound off and tell me it when you got your box, what did you get? Because as I understand it, you can now make choices and decide on certain items. So I got what was sent to me, of course. As a person who is subscribed, you get to actually go through and decide on some things that you want. We're gonna open my box, but I'm really interested in knowing what you got in yours. And if you don't get this box and you want it, you can get $10 off. Like I said, there's a code down there. I don't get no money. There's no kickback going on here. You guys know, you know. I just think it's really wonderful because I get to try all kinds of new stuff that I maybe wouldn't have ordinarily even known about, let alone buy. So this is what this box looks like. How fun is this? So on the front it says, in support of Wildlife Conservation Society. So since the box is raising awareness for the Wildlife Conservation Society, before moving forward, I wanted to show you this straw that came on the inside. It's a paper straw, and it is to bring awareness to giving up single-use plastic straws. So if you go to giveasip.us and take the pledge, then you will get a free paper straw for pledging, and there is a limit to 1 straw per household. And the first thing that I pull out of the box then, sitting right on top, folded up, is this magazine. And, you know, inside it tells all kinds of things if you want to read about it. As soon as you open it, it talks about the value of the box. The total value of the box is $321.99 to $367.99. And you're like, wow! And I got it for $49.99. Actually, you'll get it for $39.99 if you use the Glitzy code in the description box. The first thing in the box then is this Pier 1 imports, and so I'm excited. I open it up, and it is this ring dish. It looks like marble, and it has gold around the edges. It is supposed to be a catch-all for your keys, your rings, whatever you want to put in it, and it retails for $14.99. I put it in the kitchen, and it sits on the countertop next to the sink so that when I do the dishes, I can put my rings here. This is an item that everybody who gets the box gets. Oh, I'm so excited. Everybody gets this, okay? This is $89 retail. Oh, this is the Foreo FOFA. I've seen people talk about this as an alternative to Clarisonic, which I have the Clarisonic, so I never saw any need for this, but I've always been a little curious about it. Yeah, if I liked it, this thing would free me up to take my Clarisonic out of the bathroom and bring it to my vanity so I can use the makeup brush attachment for it. Because, you know, even though I did like it before, quite frankly, I'm not going to run from the bathroom to the vanity, bathroom to the vanity, bathroom to the vanity. No. So, yes, I do like it, and the Clarisonic is now in here, so I can use it with a makeup brush. If you've never seen one, it's got these nubbies on it. And then what you do with this is, you see there's a little picture on. You download an app, and it's Bluetooth technology, and it's supposed to like talk to your app and tell it all about your skin from the cleansing thing. However, I do have to tell you, I went and downloaded or tried to download the app, and it's just not there yet. So inside here is a code, this QR code, and if you scan that, it will tell you. So it's not available yet, but you can still clean your face with it. So I did that. You can just press this button on the back, and you clean. And then I've been just holding it to turn it off for the time being. It takes a AAA battery, and you unscrew these to get to that. Super stoked about that. And if you think about it, one of these products that is in the box, I mean, this is $89, $90, okay? This is $90. But even one of these products is like $50, you've paid for your box right there. This is a little wallet. It is by Minor History, and it feels really sleek. All right, now what you're supposed to do with this would be really good. It's a wristlet, okay? And you can put your driver's license and a credit card, maybe a few dollars inside here, and just carry this. When my daughter was home, she would have loved this. When we went to the pool, she had her room key and stuff, and you know, it would have been easy just to stick the room key card and her driver's license, a couple dollars or whatever down in here, and you know, that would have been ideal for that. I have to tell you, if I had got the subscription box myself, I probably would have chose this. Just because I've been interested in how I can get my arms, you know, a little more toned up, and that would have been an easy thing to do. So you could get this. This retails for $15. This retails for $20. And then this Visante Brighten Up Enzymatic Face Rejuvenator retails for $29. So you get to choose between these three in your box. Aromatherapy Associates of London. It's a de-stress muscle gel. I put it on my shoulders because they were a little tight, and it did feel cooling. But to tell you the truth, I don't know whether or not it made it feel any better, because I was too much like, get it off me, get the smell off. I can't stand that smell. So, but that's me in aromatherapy stuff. So for me, this is something I'm going to pass on to my mom. I think it would probably help her. She likes aromatherapy kind of things. So this retails for $39. But if this was your box, you could choose between that, the Body Caviar, or that ring. The next thing was this Kula Sport Sunscreen. It's SPF 50. It's a broad spectrum. This SPF 50 sunscreen doubles as a moisturizer. I would agree with that. Its 80-minute water-resistant formula is made up of 70% organic ingredients, so you can splash, swim, and soak up the sun worry-free. It retails for $32, and of course you put this on 15 minutes before going into the sun. And I have to tell you how much I love this. This is something that everybody gets, but I'm kind of getting obsessed with sunscreens lately. This is 1.7 full ounces. It has a very pleasant smell, which I'm sure is the white tea. That is it right there. And you're like, yeah, white. Okay, but it leaves this really pretty, it's not sticky. It feels, I love the smell of this, the white tea. And it just smells so fresh, so good. Look at the luminosity with that. It's so pretty. And I wore it over the weekend. I just really like this. After this is gone, I probably will most likely look into getting some more of this. So next is this LMS Papaya Enzyme Peel. I used this again this morning. If this was your subscription box, you would get to choose between this hair protectant treatment spray, which retails for $34, or this papaya treatment, which retails for $45. So it's a rinse-off cream made with exfoliating papaya, nourishing milk protein, and moisturizing vitamin E that works together to leave your skin soft, revitalized, and radiant. And I liked using it a lot. It's a soft peach color. And it smells like papaya. What you do is you just put that all over your face, set a timer for 10 minutes, and then go rinse it off. That smells so good. Gosh. And hence using it 2 days in a row. I do really like it. This train case, it's like a perfect size. Look at that. I think that this is a perfect size. So let me just show you. I took this footage so you could see, how much comfortably fits in this thing. So as you saw, it can hold quite a bit of stuff. And I really like that I got this one. But if you get this box, you would get to choose between this case or this Summer and Rose beach towel. This here is microfiber, and so I guess sand doesn't stick to it, and that retails for $55. The train case retails for $58. It comes in the floral and the one that I have. That brings me to the last thing in the box, which is a makeup item. If this was your subscription box, you would get to choose between this and this here, which is a small condensed version. It's got like 4 shadows, and it looks maybe like a couple of blushes. Yeah, and an eyeliner. Both are $45. So let's open it up. I haven't yet because I know what it is. It's got this rubbery kind of thing. It's pretty heavy. This has, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. I got this, I just hit that with my thumb. And you're like, why are you apologizing? Because I wanted to give this away to one of you, and now I hit it with my thumb. I'm so sorry. Okay, as you can see, I've not touched anything except for the cream contour down there with my thumb. I'm so sorry. All right, I'm still going to do a giveaway. You guys just saw me do that. If you don't care, I mean, because you can always take, a sanitary wipe and just wipe the surface off here. I wanted to do a giveaway and show my appreciation, because without you guys, no one would ever offer me anything. If it wasn't for you guys, I would never get these opportunities. So I have all the highlighter any woman would ever need. Some of you may not ever be able to have a $45 palette from Tarte. It has 2 side mirrors, 4 highlights, a powder contour, and a cream contour. As I said, I'm very fortunate, and I have all the highlighter that I would ever need. So I do want to give this away to one of you. To be entered for the contest, you have to, of course, be 18 years or older. You need to be subscribed to the channel already, yes. I'm not going to tell you have to subscribe to my Instagram, but guys, I am trying to grow it, so I would really love it if you would subscribe to my Instagram. And just say down below, Mary, I'm the tartiest of them all. I deserve to glow. Okay, so that's all you have to put. Mary, I'm the tartiest of them all. I deserve to glow. Okay, you put that down there. I won't be commenting on this video, of course. In conclusion, I would love to know whether or not you use the code below to subscribe and get the box. If you already get it, I'd love to hear from you too, and tell me, what did you choose? What did you get in your box? Okay, was it what I got? Or did you get something else? All right, guys, if you're not part of the Fritzy family, then now's your chance. There's this red subscribe button down there, and if you hit that, then you will be. And if you're already at this point in the video, I'm assuming that you liked it. So please don't be one of those people who just shows up here, watches a video, but doesn't subscribe. We would love to have you here, and it would make my day. And you just really want to make my day. I know you do. If you are part of the Fritzy family, thank you for being the best part of the Fritzy family. And if you're not having a blessed day, please go out and be a blessing to somebody else. And until next time, love you, see ya. Bye, and I'm out.
I'm like, Jesus loves me, I'm getting this box for free. Jesus loves you too. Okay, just saying, he loves me more. No, I'm kidding. I'm sorry, Lord, that's a lie. Jesus loves us all the same. Goes down the garbage disposal, and then I freak out. I just freak out, period, because some imaginary ghost or something could, flip the switch with my hand in there. I don't know. No one's around, but I'm scared that somebody's going to flip the switch, and I'll be like, my hand's in there. In the back is this kind of a magnet thing. I'm not really sure what this is for, to be honest with you. I guess you, slap it on the refrigerator, and then while you're cooking, if you feel like, oh my gosh, I'm really hot and I need to wash my face, then you just kind of brush up next to it on the refrigerator. I don't know. I have no idea what this is for. This could be something that... No! Darn it. Mary! I just put it back in the box so it looks all Kula for you. Kula. And if you're not part of the Fritzy family, then just hit that red subscribe button, and then you will be. Alright, what was that? That's like a half wink. Double wink. Double wink. Double wink.